If you have recognized this ginger-looking yellow spice, then you might also know just how magical the skin benefits are from using this yellow spice. Yes, this is turmeric, an Asian spice that is mostly used in India and nearby countries. Also, turmeric has a great reputation for being a home remedy for any kind of wound, cut, and burn. And when it comes to skincare, turmeric has magic to treat almost every skin problem. How? Let's check out the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Turmeric face mask benefits. Turmeric has proven to contain anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. These are best for reducing wounds, swelling, and inflammation. But that's not the end. Turmeric has great benefits for the face too. Regular use of turmeric face mask can reduce almost any kind of facial skin problem. Let's discuss this in detail. Great acne treatment. As mentioned, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, but it is a great ingredient proven to treat acne problems like cysts, nodules, pustules, papules, etc. The antibacterial properties of turmeric also fight the bacteria that causes acne on your skin and works as an anti-acne product. With that, use of this yellow spice can reduce the appearance of acne scars from the skin deeply. Anti-aging properties. Early aging problems often start when you face too much sun exposure. UV rays are the main creators of free radicals in the skin that cause aging problems like fine lines, wrinkles, sunburn, and hyperpigmentation. Turmeric's antioxidant has proven to be effective in preventing free radicals from the skin that cause aging problems. Reduce facial psoriasis. Psoriasis is basically an inflammatory condition where skin gets thick, persistent, and dry patches occur. Though it is very rare to have psoriasis on the face, you can treat the disease with turmeric. Psoriasis happens for higher levels of phosphorylase kinase in the body. Turmeric reduces the PHK activity and reduces the appearance of psoriasis. Increase natural glow. There is nothing to argue about how bright your skin becomes with the use of turmeric masks. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components provide your skin with a natural glow and luster, which you will get in turmeric altogether. On that note, we should admit and appreciate just how wonderful the ingredient turmeric is. The next time you're looking for a solution to any of the problems related to aging, hyperpigmentation, or acne, give this yellow spice a shot. Wait, that's not the end of the video. We're still left with the recommendations of some wonderful masks made with turmeric. For making your skin beautiful and healthy, we have rounded up the 5 best turmeric face masks that you will absolutely love. Let's check them out. Make your skin glow more with this Kora Organics Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. Using this wonderful mask will treat your skin with the benefits of aspen bark, rosehip, papaya enzymes, and peppermint along with turmeric. This organic mask will polish, refine, and brighten your skin while detoxifying pores and providing an anti-aging effect along with an invigorating and uplifting experience. Also, this golden mask can be used as both a scrub and a mask for its grainy texture. APTO Skincare Healing Turmeric Mask is a vibrant mask infused with squalane, aloe, and neem extracts which add to the goodness of turmeric. With the benefits of turmeric, This mask will dive deep into your pores to detoxify and remove impurities. Also, the APTO face mask has colloidal sulfur that treats blackheads and absorbs excess oil from the skin, while the azelaic acid gently removes dead skin cells, soothes rosacea, and prevents breakouts. For getting a bright, rosy appearance on the skin, opt for Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. This turmeric and cranberry formulated mask works great for brightening and energizes the look of dull, fatigued skin. Turmeric helps to visibly brighten skin for a glowy appearance, while crushed cranberry seeds gently exfoliate for renewed, smoother feeling skin. And don't worry about your skin type. This Kiehl's mask suits any skin type and gives you an instant facial every time. While turmeric is infused with vitamin C, it gives the skin more invigorating and brightening outcomes. First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask has both turmeric and vitamin C, along with a hint of ginger extract and a rose of Jericho, which is enough to treat your dull, stressed skin. Turmeric and vitamin C in this mask makes your skin bright and energetic, while the ginger extract and Jericho helps to hydrate, soothe, and calm your skin. Give a shot to this award-winning product and ensure the calmness that your skin needs. Though Fab Jelly Mask won the Allure Best of Beauty Product Award, the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask has won thousands of customers' hearts. This turmeric clay mask leaves a great radiance on the skin in just 10 minutes. Containing the powerful glow duo of aloe vera and turmeric, this vitamin C mask fades dark spots, improves texture, and visibly evens skin tone naturally. With that, turmeric helps to reduce acne and scarring. This Gleamin clay mask comes with a cute little brush to make your mask application easy without digging your hand in. So that's the end of our recommendations, and we have come to the end of our video. Hope you find this video insightful. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.